Samsung Galaxy S25 versus iPhone 16. When it comes to size, the Samsung Galaxy S25 measures 146.9 millimeters in length, while the iPhone 16 is slightly longer at 147.6 millimeters. This means if you prefer a more compact device, the Galaxy S25 takes the lead here. In terms of weight, the Samsung Galaxy S25 is lighter at 162 grams compared to the iPhone 16's 170 grams. If portability is key for you, the Galaxy S25 offers a more comfortable hold. The Samsung Galaxy S25 sports a 6.2-inch display, providing a larger viewing area than the iPhone 16's 6.1-inch screen. For those who enjoy media consumption, the Galaxy S25 may enhance your experience. The Samsung Galaxy S25 features a robust triple-camera setup with a 50-megapixel main lens, while the iPhone 16 offers a 48-megapixel primary lens. The Galaxy S25's optical zoom capabilities give it an edge for versatile photography. The Samsung Galaxy S25 provides more options with up to 512 gigabytes of storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM, compared to the iPhone 16's maximum of 512 gigabytes with 8 gigabytes of RAM. If multitasking is your thing, the Galaxy S25 is ready for it. The Galaxy S25 offers a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, while the iPhone 16 boasts a sharper 1179 by 2556 pixels. For crystal clear visuals, the iPhone 16 might be the better choice. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite, while the iPhone 16 runs on the A18 chip. The Snapdragon's performance makes the Galaxy S25 a powerhouse for gaming and multitasking. With a 4,000 mAh battery, the Samsung Galaxy S25 outlasts the iPhone 16's 3,561 mAh. If longevity is what you need, the Galaxy S25 ensures you stay powered throughout the day. Both devices feature a 12-megapixel selfie camera, but the iPhone 16 has a wider aperture at f1.9, allowing for better low-light selfies. If selfies are your passion, the iPhone 16 might capture you better. The Galaxy S25 utilizes Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for durability, while the iPhone 16 features Corning-made glass. The Galaxy S25's build may provide a bit more resilience against drops. Both phones are IP68 rated, but the iPhone 16 can withstand depths of up to 6 meters, compared to the Galaxy S25's 1.5 meters. If underwater adventures are your thing, the iPhone 16 is your best bet. The iPhone 16's A18 chip is renowned for its efficiency and performance, while the Galaxy S25's Snapdragon 8 Elite excels in high-demand scenarios. Depending on your needs, either chipset offers top-tier performance. The Samsung Galaxy S25 features a dynamic LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, while the iPhone 16 has a Super Retina XDR OLED. For smooth scrolling and gaming, the Galaxy S25 has the advantage. The iPhone 16 introduces Dynamic Island for notifications, while the Galaxy S25 includes an always-on display feature. If you prefer innovative notifications, the iPhone 16 stands out. The Samsung Galaxy S25 can shoot video in stunning 8K resolution, while the iPhone 16 offers Dolby Vision HDR. For videographers, the Galaxy S25 provides superior resolution, but the iPhone excels in color grading. The Galaxy S25 comes packed with features like Google Gemini and Smart Switch, while the iPhone 16 offers emergency SOS and Find My via satellite. Depending on your needs, both devices have unique advantages. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy S25 is priced at $800, while the iPhone 16 starts at $900. For those on a budget, the Galaxy S25 presents a more affordable option without compromising quality.